captain got the green nod from the High Command that he will be the face of Punjab Congress in 2022. He started holding the meetings with the MLAs and ministers to prepare the strategy how to fight the elections in 2022 and how the Congress can repeat the government in the upcoming elections. And in fact, if I can give you the sense of outside of Chief Minister's house, and in fact he started holding meetings with each MLA according to the constituency, just because when the panel invited all the Punjab Congress MLAs and the ministers to resolve this entire tussle and recorded their statements, one of the major issues was raised by all the MLAs is that captain is not accessible to them, captain is not listening their queries, not addressing their problems. So now captain has started preparing their strategies and holding the meetings with MLAs and MPs to prepare the strategy for 2022 elections, and even also started resolving the queries for the development work of each constituency, just because only 6 months left for the 2022 elections, and even Congress is now started making their grounds for the election mode.
Just after that, Amrinder chaired another meeting with 6 Cong MLAs at his residence to address their grievances.
आज हमारे जो काम थे सीएम साहब को मिले, उन्होंने बड़ी हमको पूरा विश्वास दिया कि जो काम हल्के के चल रहे हैं वो बहुत जल्दी अपने निपटाएंगे।
लेकिन एक पोस्टर वॉर भी चल रही है पंजाब में, उसकी भी चर्चा हुई। नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू वर्सेस कैप्टन की जो पैनल की रिपोर्ट आनी है, क्या उसके बारे में कुछ चर्चा?
कोई ऐसी नहीं। सीएम साहब का देखो, सीएम साहब बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं, और देखो आज जितने हम MLA मिले हैं हमको उन्होंने पूरा अपने जो हल्के के विकास है उनको पूरा विश्वास दिलाया कि बहुत जल्दी अभी अफसरों को हमारे सामने उन्होंने कह दिया कि जितनी जल्दी हो सके इतना काम करें।
क्या आपके मुताबिक 2022 में कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ही कांग्रेस का चेहरा रहेंगे या
कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ही हैं? कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ही चेहरा रहेंगे।
On the other hand, the Congress High Command is yet to decide on Navjot Singh Sidhu's role in the upcoming elections.
Navjot Singh Sidhu is yet to be decided by the High Command, just because the panel has submitted the report to Sonia Gandhi, and now Sonia Gandhi has to take the final call about the role of Navjot Singh Sidhu. Either he would be on some party post or he would be on some constitutional post of Punjab government. The decision is yet to be made by the Sonia Gandhi. Panel is holding repeated discussions and meetings with the Sonia Gandhi to decide this tussle, just because Navjot Singh Sidhu has denied the cabinet ministry portfolio around 4 months back when Captain Amrinder Singh offered him to resolve this entire tussle. Since 2019, Navjot Singh Sidhu remains silent in Punjab Congress, and now the time has come, just 6 months before 2022 elections. Navjot Singh Sidhu's role will be decided, and even the senior Congress party man has also declared that Navjot Singh Sidhu is an important part of the party that cannot be reduced from the Punjab Congress, and the role of Navjot Singh Sidhu will be decided by the High Command. So now the entire onus is on High Command. One side was entirely resolved that Captain Amrinder Singh would be the face of Punjab Congress in 2022, but Navjot Singh Sidhu's decision is still pending.